Hi, Jonathan Lothrop again here, running for Ward 5 City Council. One of the more difficult issues I've had to face when I was a city councilor was the fact that Ice River Springs, which is here over my shoulder, came into the community, bought up the old KB warehouse, and wanted to start doing bottled water, which was great. Jobs for the community. This particular resource facility was not being utilized, so the tax base certainly is enhanced by its utilization from a water bottling plant. The only problem turned out was the machine over my shoulder here, the water cooler tower, was making a whole lot of noise. And you can't see it to the left because we're standing here on the public's way, but there's a whole neighborhood right here. And they were extremely upset because the noise coming from this machine at the time was extremely loud. In fact, it was so loud that it was over 65 decibels at the property line, which well exceeds what is required. So again, neighbors called, I came in. Over a period of time, there was a lot of work that went on. We actually got the company to put a shield around the machine to quiet it down. We thought the problem was solved. We went away, everyone was happy. Except about a year later, the company expanded internally, which created more demand on this particular cooling tower. So in the end, what wound up happening is we made some adjustments to the agreement that the city had with the company, and they actually replaced this tower, which you can barely hear right now. So sometimes making a difference in your community isn't what you hear or even what you see. Sometimes it's what you don't hear. And in this case, it was one of the efforts that took about 2 years total from the start to finish to get that done. That's the kind of dedication, that's the kind of commitment, and that's the kind of perseverance that I have brought to this job. And I again ask for your vote on November 5th.